Hello everyone, let's look at the new features and changes that Microsoft is rolling out in the latest preview of Windows 11 version 25H2 with build 26200.5710 and the dev channel. These changes also apply to version 24H2 with the release of build 26120.4741 and the beta channel. Okay, first, let's go to the lock screen settings, because on this release, you're going to find a new Discover Widgets option. And if you turn it on, occasionally, the lock screen will suggest different widgets. Now, if we go to the privacy section, and then if we go to the text and image generation page, I don't have it on my computer, but Microsoft is working a new recent activity setting, which allows you to view recent requests to use text and image generation by AI from different third-party applications installed on your computer. Now, in this release, Microsoft is also pushing a new describe image action for Click to Do that uses AI to generate description of an image, chart, or graph for Copilot Plus PCs. Now, this feature isn't new to the operating system, but it was first available for Snapdragon processors, and now it is available for Intel and AMD AI processors. Also, the company is experimenting with removing the search box for the top bar for Click to Do, as you can see on this image. Now, similar to the Click to Do action, Narrator can now generate description for images to assist further users who are blind or have low vision. You can use this feature by using the Narrator key plus Control plus the keyboard shortcut. And when you invoke the shortcut, Narrator will read aloud the contextual description of the image, including people, objects, color, text, and numbers. This feature was first available for Copilot Plus PCs using Qualcomm Snapdragon processors, but now it's rolling out for AI-powered processors from Intel and AMD. And that's it. Those are pretty much the biggest features and changes that we're going to find on Windows 11 build 26200.5710 and the dev channel. This preview also pushes a couple of fixes and ships some known issues as usual. You can check the video description to find the link to get all the details about this preview. Let me know in the comments what you think about these changes. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.